So we are back with another video regarding installing an old application, and this app, like it says, is an app that obviously a lot of people won't want you on your Fire Stick, or even probably the Fire TV or the streaming device developers. Good news for these guys, it goes on your Fire Sticks, your Fire TVs, your Android devices, your mobile phone even, if you want to. We did cover this app briefly previously on a video, but we managed to break it. And I say we, me and you guys who watched it and installed it, we overloaded it, and they have seemed on the plus side or fixed it. So what happened was, before, too many people accessed it too quickly, obviously, and it knocked it offline. It's now up and running a lot better. People are commenting it's working. People are asking for a fresh install guide, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we do that though, for anybody who knows what they are doing, I will put this on the screen, and then you've got the code there for you already. For anybody new here, make sure you hit that follow button. We bring you all the best streaming content, and make sure you get yourself and make sure you've got your VPN on. VPN, especially if you're installing from a third party or you're using a streaming app, no matter what sort of content, from a source you do not know, should be running your own VPN, have your own account, so you know that you are safe and your data is protected. If you need a link to the VPN, there's one underneath, or depending where you're watching, just comment the word VPN and I will share the link to you, or you can just message me. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go straight to Downloader and install this. For those who have no idea what Downloader is, I'll show you how to install Downloader at the end, and then you can come back through. So the code is here. I will swap to a quick bigger screen just to get the basics running and going. So what we're going to do, we're going to find our Downloader app, and you open your Downloader app. Again, if you don't have this, we will show you how to get it at the end. Then we're going to type in that number, which is on the screen again now. So it's 588-0502. Then you click go. What that will do, that will load through. While that's loading, I can have a sip of coffee. Anybody new here can hit that follow button. You're then going to hit install. Then you're going to hit done. You can open up straight away, but I'm not going to open it. You're going to click delete and delete. Obviously, we can't open this app up. Mine's here. Yours will be in your 3 squares in the plus if you're looking for it, or wherever you keep your apps on whichever device you are watching. We can't open it on YouTube. We're not going to show any of that content on YouTube. This app itself has its own age gate, age verification for you to go through, and obviously changes per country. I assume I've only tried it out in my country. And you've obviously got your VPN running as well. We can't show that content, and we won't be showing that content on YouTube. We've got to keep ourselves out of trouble as well. For those of you who haven't got Downloader, it's very simple to get. So to get the Downloader app, go to the magnifying glass, type in, guess what? Downloader. So Downloader, you click it and you click it install, but don't open it yet. Downloader is a web browser pretty much, and with that web browser you can download applications. But to do that, like on any device, you need to turn on install from unknown sources for that application. So if you go to your settings, go to My Fire TV, click on where it says about, because you need developer options. So if you click about and click the top option 7 or 8 times, then when you go back a screen, developer options are there. You can go to install unknown apps and you can turn it on for that Downloader app, okay? Turn it on for Downloader, and then you can go through the process we just did from the beginning. So the code is there for anybody who wants it, whichever way I'm pointing, that way. The code is there. 588-0502. It's all there, nice and easy to install. I'll be back later this week. We've got this desk to review. It's a electronic motorized desk for going up, so you can stand and you can sit while working, which I'm really looking forward to testing out. So if anybody's after a new desk, that may be the video for you, so do hit that follow button. It should be on the channel in a few days, but if you're watching this video at a later date, it may already be on the channel. And for those who may need that VPN, remember, comment VPN underneath. VPN, or find the link underneath, anything like that, or just ask and someone will share you the link, I'm sure. Perfect. So, I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Hope you've had a good one, and we will see you on the next one.